how to increase limit on Cash App. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can increase your limit on Cash App. Now, as I tell you, due to the security measures on the Cash App, I won't be able to screen record and show you there. I won't be able to show you the tutorial. I might upload the shorts on future on the Cash App by making it from a different device, but here I'll just be guiding you how to increase Cash App limit. Now, as you can read here, increasing your Cash App limit involves a few steps to verify your account and request a limit increase. Cash App has different limits for different types of transactions, such as sending, receiving, and spending money. Here is how you can go about increasing your Cash App limit. Now, the first step to increase your Cash App limit is to verify your account. Start by verifying your Cash App account. To do this, link your bank account or debit credit card to your Cash App account. This will help establish your identity and financial credibility. The step to do is to complete your verification process. It'll prompt you to complete the verification process, which might include providing your full legal name, date of birth, and last 4 digits of your social security number. Now, once you do this, you want to link a bank account. Link a bank account can help increase your Cash App limit. So you want to link it to your bank account and then request a limit increase. After you have verified your account and limited account, you can request a limit increase. Now, you will have to open the Cash App on your mobile device, then tap on the profile icon in the upper left corner. Once you do this, scroll down and select personal, and then tap on increase limits. Follow the prompts to provide additional information about your income, purpose of use, and any other requested details. Cash App will review your request and may provide you with a higher limit based on your information you provide, and you'll have to wait for approval. If this doesn't help, you can contact the customer support directly. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.